Alright, quick video. One of my vortex coils sitting in front of you here, and what you see in the center and one on the outside are ferrite cores with one of them has 120 wraps and the other two each have 240. I'm testing different sizes. One of them I'm gonna in the very near future start to pull apart to see where I need to be for resonance. But each of those pickup coils, is what I refer to them as, are hooked up to full wave bridge rectifiers. Apologize, first day with my new tongue. From the full wave bridge rectifier to a blue 3.3 volt LED. Not too big of a deal, but power source is a battery, 22 amp hour, 12 volt. And then my secondary goes to a 1.6 kV capacitor. From there to the high voltage side of a microwave transformer. Then in parallel, the low voltage side of the microwave transformer. From there I go to a neon, and from the neon I go to a plug that goes to this element right here. So this meter here is the input power, well, the battery to the input power, and this meter here is the capacitor on the secondary. So I'm going to turn the system on at 880 hertz and the function generator at 880 hertz. Not sure if you guys can see that. I apologize if you can't. 880 hertz, and I will be pulsing it at 7 volts. So I'm going to turn the system on, and we'll show you what happens. 1 volt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have going on now is my 1.6 kV capacitors at 355 volts. And all of my pickup coils are running LEDs. Now this LED here is running from the inside core of the coil. And this LED here is running to the outside of the coil, and you could visibly notice the difference in power because there is a potential difference right there. The neon, as we spoke of before, is now lit, and so is the neon in the element. Now this is kind of a neat little thing. Watch what happens when I turn the element on to full. This neon gets brighter. The element seems to shut off, but it doesn't. It's acting as a resistive load, and my capacitor goes down to 90 volts. So I will click the element back so that you can see the capacitor charge. It's now at 351. I'll turn the element back on. Let's bring this back. Now that neon there lights, this one gets dimmer. Now if I turn the element on, as you can see, that neon gets brighter, and this one shuts off, probably because this bulb's blown. I'm going to take a look at it later and we'll see what happens. Alright, so that's my quick video. That's the setup. You guys have a great evening.